No, I think it's a very good question. Most often some of the traditional modes that we use for underwriting customers at the bottom of the pyramid, that doesn't give the right sort of understanding. Oftentimes we may end up rejecting a borrower who has got a good capability or accepting a borrower who may not have the great capability. So these days, most of these customers who are at the bottom of the pyramids have started using all the payments app, the QR code based payments and all of that. So once we bring some of these QR code capabilities within the institution and they start using this for making their payments and receiving payments, the cash flow. How do you utilize the cash flow and marry that with some of the physical field visits as also the bureau records and do appropriate underwriting is what is that we are working on. And we do use a significant amount of digital technologies, including the tab-based models, to be able to scrub whole bunch of data points, including the cash flow statement, to be able to underwrite the customers well. And of course, it also depends on our ability to sort of do the risk weight in each customer and accordingly decide how should be the ticket size be decided for a particular borrower. And that's how we really go about this underwriting concern. So it's a very difficult question to answer. Honestly, at one side we find that technology companies are laying off people at different levels. And at the same time, when we want to hire the right set of tech talents for technology, digital, cybersecurity, infra, network, solution architect, we don't get the right set of talents. And therefore, there is no one-size-fits-all recipe for really hiring, retaining tech talents. But I think beauty is how to really hire the right set of talents with the right mindset, with a good technical bent, and really groom them through appropriate training and really giving them best-in-class capability building. That's one of the things that we do. Second, I think it's very important to really have good technology leaders who become talent magnets. They have the ability to really attract good talents from the industry to come and work for them, and that will be helpful. And the third, I think it's very important is that tech talents in banking context should have adequate amount of banking knowledge. Just the knowledge about technology does not help them to really do well unless and until they understand the nuance of banking, wherein not just the banking products, the banking security, the compliances, the regulation are very, very important. So today the tech leaders are actually the business leaders in the tech form of it. And as we become more and more digital, security, compliance and knowledge about banking are going to be very, very important. So we are also dabbling with some of the folks from the business side who are having good technology background, people to come and lead technology and the vice versa. By doing that, we are able to infuse talents or mix up both the business knowledge as also the technology knowledge. And these are some of the stuff that we are doing to do that. No, fantastic event. I think ETCIO, as I see, it's become a landmark event in India as also in the global tech industry. It's great set of partners coming in, fantastic solutions and opportunity to collaborate with all of these industry leaders who are coming in here. Thank you, ETCIO. Thank you for really organizing this. Thank you.